Welcome to the hidden paradise of the Western Ghats, old magazine house, Ganeshgudi, Dandeli, a heaven for nature lovers, bird watchers, and adventure seekers alike. Wake up to the melody of birds, breathe in the fresh forest air, and experience the raw beauty of the wild like never before. Whether you're a wildlife photographer, a nature enthusiast, or just looking for a peaceful escape, Ganeshgudi offers an unforgettable experience. Want to see more amazing places through a different lens? Like, share, and subscribe to see through different lens for more incredible journeys.